Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to buy skins in League of Legends. Well, you have two options. First one here is in the client itself, and the second one is by using your web browser. Alright, first one in the client, just go ahead over to the top right here and click on store, which has like a stacked up coin icon. Alright, just click on it. Now once you're in here in these tabs, just go ahead over to skins, click on it. As you can see, you have a ton of skins right here. Alright, now if you don't have an RP, just go ahead and click on the plus sign right here, plus, and wait for this page to load. Now once it loads, you can just go ahead and top up. Now another option is by opening up your browser and maybe type in some third-party websites, and the one that is popular is G2G. Alright, this website right here, just go ahead and select or type in like League of Legends items right here and just wait for the website to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here in the server, make sure to tick on server and select your server. For example, in SEA right here, I'm going to hit on apply, item type if you want, and select the skin type. Could be ultimate skins, legendary skins. For example, right here for 3 to 50 RP, I'm going to tick on ultimate skins. This is like a filter. Alright, again, wait for it to load. Now, as you can see here, there is one available ultimate skin for SEA or Southeast Asia. So go ahead and click on this one and proceed with the checkout, and once done, just go ahead over to your right client right here and click on the plus sign, and then you're going to want to scroll down until you find prepaid cards and codes. You'll be given a code by G2G or from the seller itself, so just go ahead and type it down here and hit on submit, and once done, your skin will be delivered in your account. That's basically how to do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.